Don't be afraid of commitment. The relationship between commitment and doubt is by no means an antagonistic one. Commitment is healthiest when it is not without doubt, but in spite of doubt. Rollo May. To look forward and not back, to look out and not in, and to lend a hand. Edward Everett Hale. Individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work. Vince Lombardi. He that hath a wife and children hath given hostages to fortune. Francis Bacon. I'm doing what I think I was put on this earth to do, and I'm really grateful to have something that I'm passionate about and that I think is profoundly important. Marion Wright Edelman.